Greetings YTPC, it's Peter Piper the True Light coming to you at 18 hours and 56 minutes Eastern Standard Time minus 4 hours Greenwich Mean Time for my global subscribers. And tonight I am smoking the Peterson XL315 rusticated P-lip. Not a filter, but it smokes like a filter pipe. It's got the Peterson system with the little well that traps the moisture. One of my favorite pipes. And in it I'm smoking Rustica. Rustica, yeah, the king of the dark blends, I'm telling you. If you haven't tried it, you should. I like a good dark blend after dinner. I'm finishing it up with a little bit of Merlot. And tonight I'm doing a review on this lighter I bought for about 12 bucks on pipesandscigars.com. It's a branded lighter. From Bengal Slices. Now, it works okay. And I gave this lighter a review on pipesandscigars.com and told everyone that I really liked it. But it's a little, the button on it is getting a little loose. Like that. And it doesn't always light the first time. It's got an electronic ignition. But it might be low on fuel, but I find that I have to click it a few times before it lights. So, the quality is what is to be expected for a $12 lighter. If I want to improve that, I think I might just have to go to a $100 plus Peterson lighter. Thought I could cheap out, but it's the next thing from a Bic, next step up from a Bic. And the what bothers me about the Bic is that it's got a flint wheel that will wear out your thumb, and I like the little snap that goes along with it, and it doesn't have a flint. It's got an electronic thing, but I have to express some disappointment in it. I want to call your guys' attention to a fairly new subscriber, and his name is Dr. Rockwood. And we have several things in common in that, well, we both enjoy smoking the pipe, and we enjoy single malt scotch. And he occasionally wears a smoking jacket, which is a style that I can certainly appreciate. I think we should try to get him up. He's under 100, so if you aren't subscribed to Dr. Rockwood, you should be. He has a lot of interesting posts, and check him out. I'll leave his link down in the bucket. Yeah. Just enjoying a rainy Monday evening. And I guess we need the rain to help everything bloom here in spring. A little bit late for the April showers. But today, in which I don't have to work out in the yard. Gotta get my thinner chamfer here because I'm getting down to the thin part of the bowl. Ashes. So that's about it. Just thought I'd check in. Take care, folks. Speak the truth. Seek enlightenment. Peter Piper, the True Light. Saying God bless, folks. Take care.